Hey guys, just wanted to show you this neat machine I picked up yesterday at the auction. It's an Advance VS20 floor burnisher, which I think is just a floor polisher. It has some filters and some floor polishing heads that go with it. But the reason I bought it, guys, was originally I thought, I could resell this, be a good buy and sell item. And at the auction, they had 3 of these. Hindsight is 2020. I should have bought all 3. I'll show you why in a minute. But anyway, I put a bid on for $150, guys. I'd gone online and I looked, and these things refurbished were about $2,000. And thought, for $150, if I win the bid, I probably can double, triple, or quadruple my money. Well, anyway, I bid on 3 of these guys and I got one. I got this one for $115. And it said it worked. It just said it did not come with a charger. And anyway, so I went and picked it up. And lo and behold, look inside. Gotta unhook it. That's transparency right there, guys. Lo and behold, this baby's got 6 what appear to be brand new G2300 6-volt deep cycle batteries in it. Now these batteries are worth a couple $100 a piece if you gotta go buy them brand new. They're used for things like solar power banks or RV batteries or golf cart batteries, slow discharge type arrangement. So I figure I scored on this deal because there's about, I would say, $1,000, $1,200 worth of batteries here, and we ended up getting her for, like I said, $115. So what I'm going to do is take these out and I'm going to charge them up with a little Genius Noco trickle style charger, 6-volt charger, and give them all a little charge refurb with the little device. I'll link a video at the end about that. And I'm actually going to install these in my service van, guys, in the Grumman service van. These will run the back end of the van, the workshop area, just perfectly. Right now I've got a big 8D battery in there, but I want to go for a little bit more capacity, and these will offer that. I was thinking of buying 6 of these in the past to do this, what I'm going to do, but I didn't, because I didn't want to spend $1,200 on batteries. And hopefully these things are in as good a shape as they look. But honestly, guys, they look new. Good score. Too bad I didn't win the other 2 units, because I would have had 3 sets of these batteries. You never know. Maybe next time. Anyways, hit the subscribe button. I know this isn't a super exciting video, but for guys that are into this type of battery for their solar backups or their RVs or their off-grid living applications, kind of a cool way to pick up some batteries for your application on the cheap side. Thanks for watching.